show you a really easy way to make a great messy bun in your straight hair, even if you're a beginner. Actually done this tutorial before, but I did it in curly hair. So today we are going to do it in straight hair. It works exactly the same, but sometimes people need a visual to see how it works in one versus the other, because while the actual function of the bun steps are exactly the same, you do have to kind of fluff and pull things a little differently. It's a little more forgiving with curly hair. With straight hair, you might have to work a little harder to get it to look like you want it to. So the first thing you need is 2 hair ties. I couldn't find a second one of these. I'm too lazy to go looking for it, so I'm just using a little mini scrunchie. I wouldn't use a big fat scrunchie or a really thin hair tie for this. 2 that are fairly similar in size, and if you have a fatter one like this, I would use that as your bottom scrunchie hair tie, your first hair tie, as opposed to your second hair tie. Your second hair tie, it's even better if it matches the color of your hair. I'm using one that contrasts my hair just so you can see it in the video really easily, but I would suggest that you use one that matches your hair because you are likely to see the second hair tie a little bit in your hair. My hair is also freshly washed. This will be easier in day 2 hair or hair that has a bunch of dry texture spray, anything like that in it. Freshly washed hair will always be a little trickier to work with when it comes to creating buns. So we're going to put our hair in a ponytail where we want the bun to sit. So I want mine nice and high. And on our 3rd pull, or however many pulls you need to do to make it secure, we're just gonna kind of create a little loopy bun there. And I'm going to kind of pull it out so it's nice and floppy. And then I'm going to take my second hair tie and I'm going to kind of just arrange the hair all around the base hair tie, and I'm going to grab everything in my fist and pull this guy over like that, and then again pull it all out. If you want this bun to get really big, again, I suggest not doing it on clean hair, but doing it on hair with a lot of dry texture or dirty hair, because you will be able to pull your hair out a lot further and it still hold its shape. So since all my baby hairs like to fall out while my hair is clean, we're gonna pull all those out. Anyways, I'm gonna loosen up this base because I don't like a tight base with a messy bun, only with a sleek bun. So we're gonna pull hairs towards the front of my face from the base there, just to loosen everything up. And that's it. It is super, super fast and easy. I mean, you don't even really see the hair ties. I mean, like it's in there, but they hide pretty well. So there's that bun. It's a super easy, beginner-friendly one if you struggle with some of the more flippy techniques. It's pretty quick, it's pretty easy. All you need is 2 hair ties, and this is how it works in straight hair because last time I did it for you guys in curly hair. So I hope that helps. I hope that gives you another fun bun style that you can try for your hair. Let me know in the comments if you tried out how it works for you, or if you have any questions. I would love to answer this for you in the comment section, or make a whole video dedicated to answering your question if that is what is necessary. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share my videos with your friends. I would love to keep growing my channel here on DIY Hair School. We are almost 25,000 followers, and I would love to hit 100K. That would just be amazing. So please, please, please help me get there. That would be amazing. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.